Stand by. Stand by.
You want to be low ready or high ready.
Stand by. Ready. Stand by.
Put your hand above on the top of the barrel. I'm done with those, right?
Play the birds. That's what I say. You forget the birds when you're doing your mental walkthrough.
Now you have to knock all four of those down.
No, you get 3 shots of that.
Right, but you have to knock all four of it down.
Hand on top, hand on the bottom. Hand over the top of the barrel. My gun's pretty tough.
You're getting it on the first one. That's my job.
Here, you're holding. Kind of while you're holding it, press it. I got the urge to press it right now for some reason. Like I want to. Yeah.
Don't press it.
Right now, right at the top of the head.